Dr. Alan Nelson took the reins of the Biodesign Institute at Arizona State University in March of 2009. The Biodesign Institute is a bold effort to reimagine university-based research. It spurs breakthroughs that improve health, protect lives, and sustain the planet. According to Dr. Nelson, the biodesign approach is better suited to solving the complex problems currently facing society than more traditional efforts.
One of the things that's unique about the Biodesign Institute is that we can take a broad, thinking out of the box approach to solving some of these grand challenge issues. We have no silos. We have no discipline barriers. We put the teams together that are required to solve problems regardless of their various departmental affiliations. There are so many people galvanized to solve important global health issues and sustainability issues. The vitality that exists, you can feel it. It's palpable day in and day out. And that's a measure of the people who work here, happy and excited and contributing. The Biodesign Institute has already built an operational platform. And my job now is to amplify that and help deliver those technologies for societal benefit.
With nearly 700 team members, research at the Biodesign Institute goes beyond scientific discovery and innovation. Experts in economics and policy help the scientific teams ensure that the solutions they develop have a strong chance of real-world success. As Executive Director, Dr. Nelson leads the integration of all of these functions, and he must ensure that this comprehensive approach is sustained.
There again, biodesign can provide the critical mass and focus of activity to help us address ever larger problems. Part of moving biodesign forward as an institution is to be sure that we're well funded. That's a very important focus for me and the rest of the team here, to make sure that we can become self-sustained over time.
A key difference found at the Biodesign Institute is the recognition that brilliant breakthroughs and transformative technology is not always enough when the goal is societal benefit.
We are addressing a major issue, which is that most universities have found it very difficult, if not nearly impossible, to transform their research initiatives into products that can actually benefit the population. At the Biodesign Institute, we have launched a novel, important program that will take research at the bench all the way through the translation of that into mature technologies that can be commercialized. We call that program the Biodesign Impact Accelerator.
For almost 4 decades, Dr. Nelson has focused his own research efforts on diagnosing cancer before it reaches incurable stages. He invented the landmark technology introduced in the 1990s, which automated and dramatically improved cervical cancer screening. In his current role, he continues to develop programs aimed at earlier detection of cancer.
There's no technology today to screen for lung cancer, and if you get it, it's usually because you're symptomatic, and because you're symptomatic, you're already late-stage cancer, and the possibility of survival is very, very low. We want to find conditions that are predictive, but perhaps with enough lead time that the tumor doesn't even yet exist. My dream come true would be that everybody gets screened from a young age, that we detect the likelihood that an individual is going to develop cancer, and we treat it preventively. And if you're successful doing that, nobody has cancer.
In addition to his scientific interests and leadership role, Dr. Nelson finds time to play the drums in a blues band recently organized by a group of talented biodesign team members.
I find it just totally natural that some physicists and mathematicians play music and drums in particular. And I think it has something to do with keeping the beat, keeping the tempo, kind of managing things through time. That is kind of the rhythm of life itself. I think biodesign will be measured by its impact. Despite the economy and issues around that, people are unfailingly optimistic, and they dream about the future, and I think biodesign can make it happen for them.